Hello again friends, thank you for watching. Well, I managed to get down to Ipsos yesterday, and after a horrendous drive from Cassiope on the coast road, terrible road that is, isn't it, if you've ever been there. Anyway, a few things to say if you're interested. I found the place to be fairly empty, bearing in mind we are near the end of the season now, and it's been a quiet year anyway. So we found that during August, tourism in Corfu in general was the same as August 2019, but mostly Eastern Bloc countries. So you've got your Czech Republics, your Bulgarians, your Polish and things like that. So not many English. This month there's been more English come over, but of course this is due to restrictions in the UK government. Not to worry, it's life, isn't it? So we found that it was sorry if I keep looking down, I made a few notes because there's several things I want to say, you see. Anyway, we found it to be expensive. Most of 70% of the bars are owned by Albanians, and they were very expensive, as were some beds at €10 for 2 beds, a small table and an umbrella, compared to either €3 or €5 in Akaravi and Rhoda. Very expensive indeed. Drinks were also very expensive in the Albanian run bars, but of course in the English, Italian and Greek run bars and restaurants they were fair prices. Actually, we were made very welcome indeed in a place called Nico's, a restaurant, bar, pizzeria, gyros centre, you call it what you like, by Maria and I think it was Katharina. Thoroughly enjoyed my little chat there, had a couple of beers with Mrs. Corfual and myself, and we sat there and had a lovely chat, lots of information. Well, women do like to chat, don't they, and I like to listen, even if I forget what has been said 2 minutes later at my age. Anyway, the empty sunbeds, yes, the sunbeds are €10 at one end of the beach, but if you walk down the beach towards the marina end, they're only €7. Secondly, another thing I'd like to say is I'd like to make an apology to Sally's bar, which I missed out once again. I think I missed them on my last video. I faded out before I got that far. My legs wouldn't do it. Sorry, Sally's bar. I promise I'll start that your end of the Ipsos if I make another video. And we found the beach to be very stony and very empty. Quite frankly, in my own personal opinion, and Mrs. Corfual, you'd have to pay me to take a holiday there, and even then I wouldn't take it. I'm used to being looked after by restaurants and bars at a modest price and fair price. So, well, having said that, don't forget the English places, the Greek places, the Italian places were all fair prices, because I did look on the price lists outside. Mind you, I did notice that many of their restaurants run by Albanians didn't show prices at all, which is interesting, wasn't it? Okay, the road along the seafront is the most incredibly busy road and so dangerous for children. Not that we saw any children there, but it was an incredibly busy road, as you'll hear on the video, the cars zooming by and lorries zooming by. And no safety barrier to stop people, children getting off the beach and running across the road. Well, you enjoyed the video, I hope. We had a good look round, and in general, to sum up, it's an expensive place, not a lot to do there, and quite frankly, a very busy road. I hate to think what it's like at the peak of the summer on a normal season. Horrendous, I should think. Anyway, you'll see on the video, make your own mind up. Thank you for watching, and I know before you write in and comment, there are people who do love the place. Well, horses for courses, isn't it? Incidentally, you do know if you come on holiday here and go in a restaurant or supermarket, you must wear a mask. It's mandatory. It's a €300 fine if you don't. Here in Corfu we've got used to that, so we don't mind. So there you go. Well, thank you once again for watching and enjoy the video. Well, there is Ipsos down there. Hell of a drive, but I've made it. We're here. Very stony beach by the looks of it. Hell of a busy road, Jesus. Dirty Nellie's pub over there, Irish pub. Don't know what they're pumping up over there, but I guess it's a hell of a size if it's a boat. Look at it. I spy a little bit of sand on the beach. Trimonio's bar, but it doesn't look as though it's open. Tables all stacked up. This place looks cheap. Nico's. I'll come back here later for a drink. Well, I don't know what that is out there. Mount Everest. Another closed up bar. Rows and rows of empty sunbeds. It's not exactly busy here. There's a nice little marina area. You can have a perusal if you want. Looks nice. Wow, there's actually an A and B supermarket. They're very good supermarket, quite reasonable price. Now, just had a beer in this place. It was very reasonable. Nice ladies, spoke good English, good price, good service. Hi, you on? So I'm in Ipsos filming. I'm sitting in Nikos Cafe Neon.
No,
This area. Okay, and enjoying a quiet drink. It's very quiet, end of the season. What can you say? The beach is quite a few people, but it's very expensive in Ipsos. That's no problem. Come anyway. So ladies,
hello.
all in taxi, llamas.
Hola, llamas. Llamas.
This is Nikos. The price is right, no problem. No expensive here. This is gyros, very tasty. Nice and clean compared to some places. Family place. More empty sunbeds. Oh, there's a small feature on the beach amongst the empty sunbeds and the stones and the dirt on the beach, the empty plastic bottles. Wonderful place. Well, there's a saving grace. They've got a Chinese place for food. Wonderful. Open in the evening, 7:30 on. This is Tiffany's. That seems to be quite the busiest bar I've seen. Cafe Uno, that looks nice. And a spa, supermarket. Interesting. Well, that looks interesting. Plenty of bikes to rent over here. I have no idea what this place is. Beautiful stonework at the top there. Aqua Sports, brushed off their feet. More empty sunbeds. Bit cheaper here, but still not the best of prices. I must say, this end of the beach is busier. I'm at the bottom end. Well, when I say the bottom end, I mean the end nearest Corfu town. Now these sunbeds are priced at €7. Well, this Italian place had the cheapest drinks I found anywhere along the strip. It's a pizzeria. Well, I'm sitting in this small pizzeria and I have to say it's basic, but we've got a big glass of wine and a beer for €5, which for me is the cheapest going along this strip. It seems to me that cars run by Greeks, Italians or English are fair prices. Bars run, which is 70% of them by Albanians, are expensive. That's what it looks like. Anyway, it's been a long walk and I needed a beer. Thank you. Bye. Cheers.